Hello friends, good morning. This is Neeraj Kumar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Neeraj Charles. Friends, in this video I am gonna talk about English language. Friends, what is language? English is a language or English is a subject. How to define? So friends, let's get started. First of all, you know, I know, everyone knows. In a language there are four things. If you understand and if you learn any language, you know, in a language there are four things: reading, writing, listening and speaking. Friends, these things are very important. If you command on these things, you can speak English very well, you can write English very well, and you can listening skills very well. So friends, first of all, we will talk about reading. Everyone reads notebook, paragraph, newspaper, book, story, but he only reads one times. He reads only for messages and only for inquiry and information, but he does not read for language. If you want to make your language and build your language, please read any passage, any paragraph many times. Doesn't matter how many paragraphs and how many pages you read, but it is matter how many times one paragraph you read. So friends, if you read any book, any passage, please read 100 and please read 10 times or 20 times. So friends, then we will move writing. Writing is a key of a language. If you want to, if you are writing, it means you are learning something. It is, if you are not writing in any language, it means you are not learning new things. So friends, uh, I will give you an example. If you get angry with your friends, you think I should fight with them, but according to me, you should not fight with them on that time, because if you fight with them on that time, because fighting will create problem. Friends, fighting will create problems. Don't fight. Come back to your house and took your notebook and write some paragraph and write few lines why you hate them, why you hate them. Please write in your notebook. You will feel very relaxed after writing a paragraph about them. Then listening. Listening is a key of any language. If you, after listening any things, you can understand, it means it's sign of you are learning a language. But you are not understanding anything after listening any topic, any video, any podcast, it means you are not learning anything. So friends, please listen and carefully. First of all, uh, you should listen cartoons, you should watch children cartoons, because it has very easy language, you can understand, you can make define its meaning. So friends, reading, writing, listening, first of all, uh, everyone knows, want to speak English very well, but they don't know before speaking do many things. Friends, everyone wants to speak very well in front of camera, in front of people, but they get stuck, they feel fumble. So friends, if you don't feel fumble, you don't feel fear of people, during speaking English, please practice at your home as I do. I record my video, and after recording my video I watch my video and I identify what is mistake in my video. So friends, speaking is very important skills in present time. Please, if you want to get any job, any type of job, any you want to do any type of business, you talk with your clients in English many times. Friends, English is a key. English is very famous language because it is international language. So friends, doesn't matter how much English do you speak, it is matter how many sentence you speak in a day. uh, One question arises here: how to practice with. So friends, if you don't have any friends, don't worry, you have great friend, your cell phone. Please practice with it. So friends, please record your video, record your lecture. Thank you friends.